Hey y'all, it's your girl Chelly May, and welcome back to my channel for all of my returning subscribers. And if you are new here, welcome as well, okay? But if you are new or if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you know every time that I do post. So as you read, this is a quick little unboxing slash first impression on some bundles. Wait, where's my phone? Because where's the phone? Okay, I had to get my phone so I can like give you the name of the bundles. I did get these bundles off of Amazon. I know it's like treacherous. However, I did like some TikTok searches and these are supposed to be good bundles. Because, you know, the bundles just have not been bundling since like I was back in college, like 2013, 2015. Those bundles used to be so tea. Okay, where you could get 3 bundles in a closure for under $300. Okay, some good lengths. And that's what this gave me, okay? This is exactly what this gave me. I ended up paying $313 for 3 bundles in a closure. The closure is 5x5. It's from Trippy. Ooh, is that it? What it's called? Let me click it. Yeah, from Trippy on Amazon. Let me go to their store and I'll show you real quick. This is them. Okay. It is raw hair. Supposedly raw hair. So, yeah, I believe Indian. Yeah, anyways, let's open these bundles. Okay, so here is the first package. All right, packaging is nice. Trippy skin with Amazon shop. Da, da, da. Real HD lace closer. I don't know if y'all can read that. The glare on this is crazy. Can we? No. Okay, no. Sorry, my light. And why is this low-key ripped? Okay. That's cool. It's fine or whatever. Let me get this little tape cut. How it comes out. It's all rolled up. Ooh, I don't even remember how long this closure is. Let me see. It doesn't say. Pick up the phone. I'm like all over the place. What did I order? What did Big Mama order? 5x5 lace closure. Yeah. 18-inch closure. Okay. Before we get this open, let's open the bundles. The box. What was that? Like that was gonna be all? Okay. Okay, this box is cute. Oh, this box is cute. Okay, thumbnail later. Keep shining, keep classic. This one I'm talking about here. It's got this little thing at the top, like, hold on, All right. Let's open her up and see what we are looking like. Okay, I got a brush at the top. This is nice. I like this packaging. Okay. A little ASMR for y'all. I used to make ASMR videos. I actually want to go back to that. That's another story. Okay, look at this bag. And then we got a couple pieces of paper. Sorry, the glare adjustment is not happening. This is content, product description, product features, lifespan, care and maintenance. You get a whole booklet. And this is on some good stock paper. And you also get this. You can't really see it because, are we gonna adjust? No? Okay, well, it has enjoy a 1-year warranty. Okay, hair with a warranty. I have not seen that before. After sale service scope. All right, some stuff for me to read later. Support team ready to assist anytime. You get a WhatsApp number. Yes, name, order number, issue, reason. T. All right, now let's get into, I'm loving this box. I'm loving this packaging. This came in this, and then this came in this. And when I had them in my Amazon cart, I didn't put them separately. It was like a bundle deal with the closure. But when it's in your cart, it shows it's 2 separate items. I'm not centering, that bothers me. Let's pull them out. Let's see what we're talking about. Do I remember the lengths? I think I got I don't remember. Oh, okay, little filler paper. Each bundle, okay, I got a 20, a 22, and a 24. In each bundle, ASMR comes pre-wrapped by itself. Now these bundles are not looking thick at all. Like, I should have got 4. That's my initial thought. But let's get this out. It is taped so much along the back. I scooted the hair down so I don't know if you can see, but it starts right there. So I'm gonna cut right here. Make sure I'm not cutting any of the hair. And this is the 20-inch. It is in a net too, of course, which is good. I'm gonna cut along the back. It's a little easier. Packaging is tea. Okay, and I got the body wave because I wanted to hold some curl. So this is the shortest bundle that I have. 20 inches. Let's take it out of the net. Let's smell test. It doesn't have a smell. It doesn't smell like corn chips. It doesn't smell like factory, which is nice. Ooh. Let's get it out the net. Okay, so actually not bad. Not a bad density. Pretty full at the ends. It's 20 inch right here. 20 inch right here. Okay, 20 inches right here. 20 inch is not looking bad. Feels good, no smell. I'm gonna put it back. We go. Struggle a lot. Yes. You see how I tore this apart? I just want to make sure I keep the length with the correct number so that I'm not mixing them up. But when they open up, they open up. Okay. Let me see here. Let's get this 22 open. I don't want to open it the same way I opened the 20, so let's start from the top. These scissors suck. Okay. And this is the 22. 22 inches. Oh, we about to have some bust down her. That's what I want to bust down. See, I did order a 18-inch wig and it was just too much extra cap. My head is so small. But here's the 22. Okay, she's soft. Still no smell. Okay, but it's just not very dense in my opinion. Like, I've had raw hair before and it's definitely been a bit denser than this, but it's still kind of thick. We gonna see. We gonna see how this play out. But I like it. I like it so far. So far, so good. It's 1 o'clock and I'm supposed to be meeting my friends for lunch at 1, but I checked my friend's location and she hadn't left yet, so film. I could not wait to get this package. Like, when I tell you, I got a call when I was at the nail salon because I just got my nails done, saying that it was here and they needed to, like, get the code to be able to leave it at the door. And I was like, oh, I did request that, but I didn't even know how it worked. But we got it together. As you can see, I got my hair. You know what? This is how we're gonna keep track of what's what. That's the only thing about this is you just can't like really, once you take it out, you can't put it back. And I need to know what's what on lengthwise. And here is the 24. So generally what happens is the longer the hair, the less dense the bundle. Which, baby, it's been that way. Okay. For my medium singing self. 24, 24, 24, 22. Yeah, baby. I'm so excited. I have not bought new hair in so long. Ooh, this one's a little twisted. These are some big nets. Bam. Bam. Okay, not too bad. I mean, I feel like the density on all of the bundles is pretty much the same throughout. I do have a small head, and even with this 5x5 closure, it might be a stretch getting all these bundles to fit, but it's nothing I haven't done before. Okay. Oh. Wrap that around. And then the 18-inch closure. So usually the bundles come in plastic like this, which makes it really easy to put them back into. But yes, Miss Ma'am, this is supposed to be an HD closure. Okay, this 5x5 is 5x5 in. Okay, it has like a slight tint to the lace a little bit. I'm not gonna bleach the knots. It's just not that serious for me. I used to bleach the knots and I've never been too good at it. Okay, let's see. Oh yes. See how I got a small head and this 5x5 is covering a lot of real estate. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Renaissance. Looking nice. Okay. Let's get this back in this net. Overall, I am happy with this purchase. I feel like I probably did get my money's worth. Probably. We'll see once we start in. I'm making a unit. Okay, this is not a sew-in. This is, I like to call it like a quick sew-in. Even though it still like will take me 5 hours to do like my whole braid down and to get this sewn on to my head. So I used to make it as like 2 pieces where I have the closure and then like the unit, but it's gonna be all one thing. So we're gonna have the closure. It's pretty much just gonna be the perimeter of it sewn down, and there's gonna be a comb in the middle. That's just how I do my units. I don't really do like slap-on wigs, like just put it on and go. I mean, I could do that if I added like combs to the like the outer perimeter of it, which I might do. We'll see. But that is all for this video. After I install it, I will do a first impressions, first thoughts. I do plan on wearing this a lot, so it's definitely going to be on my head for at least one full month. So I'll come back with a month review of the hair, how it's been acting. Like, we're taking this back old school to how people used to do the reviews on hair over like a 2-3 month time span, because no one like really does that anymore, because so many people just do quick weaves, just get a wig, wear it once or twice. Nah, baby, we going back to how it used to be over here on my channel. So be prepared for follow-up videos on this hair. Is it truly worth it? Will you get your money's worth? Are the bundles bundling the way they used to? Okay, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing, and until next time, it's your girl Shelly May.